In this clip, we're almost done. We've already cleaned this pool enclosure. It's real important. Now it's time to take off the brush and get ready to clean the pool. Before you clean the pool though, we have a little bit of some pine needles and debris that's in the pool. We have our pool vac ready to go now. We'll take the skimmer and we'll start picking up some of the pine needles out of the pool just to make sure there's no extra debris on top of the pool area. So we'll go ahead and skim the pool. And when you're skimming the pool, just work at the scooping motion back and forth, and that will create its own little current on top of the water, and that pushes a lot of the pine needles the direction that you want. Couple more scoops and we'll be done.
Cool.
Yeah, I just wanted to